We're going to do a brief video on GBPUSD support levels. You can see we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading day periods. And we've got down here buys all the way across the board at 1.0928 for the GBPUSD tomorrow, the 12th of October. The way this works, this one-day column, you get in tomorrow, get out the end of the next trading day at a loss, or take your profits as soon as you get them. Same way across. If you choose a 20-day, assuming your own analysis says that's a good idea, you get in tomorrow and get out at a loss at the end of the 20th trading day, or take your profits as soon as you get them. You can get access to all of these by 7 a.m. each morning, Monday through Friday. At RBAMresearch.com, we cover 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures. There's a link in the description below. No credit card required. The access is free. Just follow the link over, put your email address in, and get free access. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can only use our information, including the entry prices, for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below.